Hi guys, today we are going to look into this YESPOW cupping therapy set. It's a 4-in-1. It has 12 different levels. It's rechargeable, so you don't have to use candles for that. You can do this much easier. You don't have to pay a lot of money for your doctor to do that. You can do this safely at home. A couple of years ago, I went to a doctor and let him do that, and it was somehow really uncomfortable. I didn't know what's going on, and here you have full control at home. You can do it in your safe environment. This is absolutely awesome, something you really have to try out, and I'm going to take it out of the box and show you how this works. And so here's the box, and we can see that it works for many different things. It has really nice features. It has negative pressure cupping, has hypothermia massage, multi-gear adjustment, and one key pressure relief. And by the way, the model is the DS-A23. And so let's open the box and see what we get. Comes with a nice instructions manual. It describes everything in detail, what you can do and how to use. Have even some FAQs, what you can do if something is not working. I think this is not too large, not too small, just about right. And here we have the device nicely protected inside. Makes a really good impression, solid build, comes even with some accessories. Most important here, of course, the charging cable, and it is USB-C. This is exactly what we want to see. A full charge takes only about 3 hours, and after that we can use it for more than 2 hours. Then we turn it on with a long press and it goes automatically into the negative pressure mode on level 3, as you can see, but we can adjust it in 12 different levels. We can also stop it completely, and totally independent from the suction we can adjust also the infrared in 12 different levels, or turn it off. Now everything is totally turned off, and it has also a built-in timer. After you turn it on, it goes automatically into this 20 minutes timer, and with a short push we can switch between the negative pressure and the soothing mode. Now we are on the soothing mode, now we are on the negative pressure mode. Very easy to switch. And what's super important to know is that we have this emergency button on top, which we can push and then release the pressure. And it's very easy to use. We just put it where we want to apply the pressure and the heat, and it will start automatically really fast, but I can release it at any time. So this is how it works. And the set comes with 2 replaceable filters, so we can screw off this cup here and then remove this filter, replace it with a new one, and screw the cup back here. Make sure that everything is really tight so it will work again properly. So as far as I can see, really nice, beautiful, sturdy device, as good as it gets. Comes with this strong suction and also the infrared. We can also use the infrared alone if you just have a little bit of pain, and you can start it with level 1. I mean, we can go to level 12 and then go back to level 1 also here, so we can start really on a low level. You don't have to be worried when you go to a therapist. Sometimes they are doing this super strong. They decide on how strong and how long, and then you end up with more pain than before, or you end up with a lot of bruises. Of course, these things are going away after a couple of days, but maybe it's at the wrong time. So with this device, you are the boss. You decide on how long and how strong, and you have full control over your cost. You pay just once and then you use it 100 or 1000 times. When I think back to when I've done it, I would say, yeah, this is definitely my choice in the future. I'm not going back to this doctor where I don't know what they are doing. I mean, of course, they are the professionals, or at least I hope, but I felt a little bit out of control. I didn't know what he was doing. Also, I couldn't understand him. He didn't talk a single word of German or English, which I could understand. And so I think this is not only something for you, this could also also be a really nice gift for your friends or family members. If you know somebody is suffering from some pain, needs some pain relief or so, and it doesn't cost a fortune. So my full recommendation, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.